Thanks for tuning into the Weekly Pulse, your trending health beats. My name is Zelda, and this week in medical news. A recent study conducted by the University of Bristol found that if a girl's maternal grandmother smoked during pregnancy, there was a 67% increase in the chance that the girl will have certain character traits linked with autism. Such traits include poor communication skills and repetitive behaviors. The study looked at 14,500 participants of children born in the 1990s and found that if the maternal grandma smokes cigarettes while she was pregnant, the risk of her grandchildren being diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder increased by 53%. These findings suggest that if a female is exposed to cigarette smoke while she's in the womb, it could affect the developing eggs of the fetus, thus causing generational changes that may eventually affect the development of her own children in the future. The incidence of autism spectrum disorder has increased in recent years. While some of the increase is undoubtedly due to improvements in diagnosis, changes in environment or lifestyle are also likely to play a role. Researchers are still not positive why many children develop autism, but they are aware that many factors, including genetic variation, are believed to affect an individual's chances of developing autism. Researchers reported that these associations show intriguing possibilities on transgenerational influences in autism. However, research must be conducted to determine exactly what these molecular changes might be and to see if some associations are present in other groups of people. We've all felt thirsty after a large salty meal, right? But what if I was to tell you that salty food does not make you thirstier, contrary to modern belief? In fact, salty food makes you hungrier due to a higher need for energy. An international group of scientists carried out a study during a mission to Mars simulation and found that eating more salt led to a higher amount of salt in the urine. That's no surprise there. What surprised scientists most was that the salty diet caused the subjects to drink less and have an increase in appetite. Salt was triggering a mechanism to conserve water in the kidneys and body. Prior to this, it was believed that charged ions in salt attracted water molecules and dragged them into the urine to be excreted. However, this new study showed that the salt stayed in the urine while the water molecules moved back into the kidney. A possible explanation for this is a substance formed in our body called urea. Prior experiments in mice models show that urea was accumulating in the kidney where it counteracted the water-drawing force of salt ions. However, producing urea in our body requires a lot of energy, which may explain why mice that were on a high salt diet were actually eating more. So that means a saltier meal does not increase our thirst, but may make us hungrier. This new finding changes the way scientists have thought about our body's mechanism to conserve water and maintain a proper water balance. That's it for today's segment. Thanks for watching. Check out the Weekly Pulse on Facebook and Instagram for your trending health beats and links to full articles mentioned. Until next time.